Alright guys, if you're having trouble putting on these E-clips, right here, what you want to do is just get you a pair of needle nose and make sure there's going to be a little groove that you want to slide it on, so you're going to hold that there and push onto the groove. Make sure that's nice and on. Alright, now we're going to move on to the shocks. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to slide the shock on. Make sure you have that grommet in there. And then we're going to put on a washer. And then we're going to put on our nuts. Tighten them down. Alright guys, that's our front end assembly. Nice and smooth. No binding. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned. I'm going to have some more builds for the LX2. Be sure to subscribe, like, keeps the channel going, lets me know what you want. Leave comments and feedback. Let me know what you want to see. Maddie696 signing out.